11 Pro.
All right, hello. We are coming to you for the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and I am in the Aviara display, and I'm here with Rob Nye. And tell us, introduce yourself and tell them about this amazing vessel we're sitting on right now.
Thanks, Lisa. Yeah, I'm Rob Nye. I am the sales and brand manager for Aviara, and actually today we're very excited because we are actually debuting the AV36, so it's the second in a family of Aviaras. This is the 36-foot version of the Aviara, and that's just go along with the AV32 that we launched actually earlier this year in Miami. So now in less than a year, we've got a family of 2 boats, and this is just growing on the DNA of the 32 and giving us something even larger and even more driven to entertain out on the water. So
Yes, definitely a lot of entertainment space. We are sitting on very, very interesting seating. What do you guys call that?
So we actually call these the bar stools, or the bar stool style seating. And what's fantastic about it, you're tied up next to a taller boat. You can sit here while they're having to stand and entertain and talk and have conversation. Yep. We're able to sit here and actually sit down, entertain, but have a much better view over the engines or out into the water, have conversation with those in the water, or even if people are sitting down below us, we can now have multi-level seating. So the idea is you got folks in the water, people on the swim platform, on the sun pad, and then here. We felt like this was a space on the boat that was underutilized. It's on every boat, but no one was using anything with it. So we actually came up with this. We went out, we interviewed people on the water and asked their needs and their wants. And from that, we came actually up with the bar stools, and it's a patent pending item on our boats.
That's
so, yeah.
fantastic. Perfect for stern gating during football season.
Gating, I love it.
Very fantastic. So what are some other features? Maybe like describe the cabin. Is this an overnighter, or what can we do with this boat?
Absolutely. So the 32 has got a tremendous size. It's got a great head, 5'10". You can go down there, has closet space. The 36 though actually allowed us to have an L-shaped lounger that converts into a berth for 2. You can get it with a generator, get it with heat and air, get it with a microwave, an audio video package with a 32-inch TV and a sound bar. So you can actually overnight or just extend your day on the water. You want to go out and some others are getting a little overheated or want to go lay down or just escape for a little while, they've got that. For the top deck though, the boat, as you see behind me, actually underneath the Corian countertops, we've got 2 grills, you've got 2 refrigerators, a sink, even storage for 3 champagne or wine bottles underneath that. So really you can entertain up above on the deck or even down below if you just need to take a break. So yeah, really try to think of it all.
It does sound like you guys have thought about it all. Definitely a beautiful vessel. If you're down in the Fort Lauderdale area, definitely stop by the show. We've got a beautiful layout here. Come get a glass of champagne. They've got refreshments. You got to try the stadium seating, the bar stool seating. And if you can't make it down to the show, visit MarineMax.com/online boat show, where you can view all the boats online. We're taking video, photo, we're making sure we're bringing the show to you. So if you can't make it, you can actually log on, see a boat walkthrough. You can, if it's the boat you love, you can place a deposit to hold the boat and actually purchase a boat online. You can chat live with a professional, or you can just, peruse the boats online. Thank you very much,
Thanks,
Rob.
Lisa. Appreciate it.
See you later.